Alright guys, so this is the car. 97 Outback, 2.5 automatic. And this is the sound that kind of has me stumped and worried because I got to drive this car back in like 5 days. So anyways, here we go. But it's that really sharp, piercing whack, whack, whack that I'm concerned about. But it has this weird bar back here, which I've never seen before. So anyways, other than that, it's cold right now. I'm gonna let it warm all the way up, and then I'm gonna take another video and we'll go ahead and take it on the drive. So anyways, I'll be right back.